Dear students, there is yet another example which I have sent you in the notes, and it's in the page number 15. So there are four charges, plus Q, and these are at the corners of a square. These are at the corners of a square. Okay, it is example in the page number 14 plus Q. All the charges have magnitude plus Q. Okay, so we have to find the net force A, B, C and D. We have to find the net force on the charge plus Q, which is at point C. So first of all, we have to give the directions of the force in this point. So first of all, I will take the value of A. As we know that these are the positive charges, so the force will be outward. And what is this? This is FA. Okay? FA, force on charge at point C due to the force, due to the plus Q charge at point D. Okay? Similarly, what is this? This is FB. Okay, is it clear? And what is this? This is FD. So from the diagram, it is clear that FA, FB and FC, FD are the forces on charge at point C due to the charges at A, B and D points. Okay, so it is clear that similarly the values of FA, FB and FD will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. FA, what is this? Both charges are Q, capital Q. And what is the distance between them? It is AC square. According to Coulomb's law, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, Q1, Q2 upon R square. What is R? R is the distance between the two charges. Is it clear? Similarly, FB, what is FB? It is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon, and what is its value is given small a. All the sides are of magnitude small a. So it is A square. Similarly, what is FD? FD, it will be 1 upon 4 pi, A will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon, what is this distance? This is again small a square. So this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Now it is clear that the distance between these two charges is small a, and this is also small a, but the AC, we have to find the value of AC. So as we know that all the angles are of 90 degree in a square, so we can find the value of AC by using Pythagoras theorem. So by using Pythagoras theorem, what will be the value of AC? It will be equal to AC square is equal to AC square is equal to small a square plus small a square, small a square plus small a square. So AC will be equal to, AC square will be equal to 2, AC square will be equal to 2A square. Okay, this is the value of AC square. So now we will find the value of FA. So FA will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q square upon AC की value. What is the value of AC? It is 2A square. This is the value. And this is equation number 4. So again we have a problem that we have the value of FD and FB, and what is the angle between them? Angle between them is 90 degree. Angle between them is 90 degree. So first off, we will find the resultant of FB and FD. The resultant of FB, resultant of FB and FD, FB and FD is given by parallelogram law of vector addition. And what was it? It was if we have two vectors from the same points, then the diagonal gives its resultant. So means its resultant will be in this direction. The resultant of FBD will be along the length of along the direction of FE. So FBD again, we will find it. FBD will be equal to FB square plus FD square plus 2FB and FD into cos of, what is the angle between them? It is 90 degree. And we know that cos 90 is always equal to 0. So FBD will be equal to the value of FB, and they are equally. We will substitute its value 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q square upon A square plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q square upon A square, and it is equal to 0 because cos 90 is equal to 0. So FBD will be equal to, FBD will be equal to, it is 2 into, because they have the same values, 2 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q square upon A square, 1, because both are this. So we will be having the value, so 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, okay, here it is, it was equal to, square was also there, it is also square because the square of FB, and it is square. So we are left with 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q square upon A square under root 2. This is the value of FBD. Now from the figure it is clear that FBD and FAR both are in the same direction. If the direction is same, so net force will be equal to FBD plus FA. The force will be equal to FBD plus FA. So we will put value F is equal to F. What is FBD? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q square upon A square and here into plus, what is the value of FA? It is given by the equation number 4. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q square upon 2A square. So we will take its common. What is common here? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q square A square. So we are left with under 2 plus, and it is 1 upon under 2. So this is the net force on the charge plus Q which is placed at point C. So thanks. Tomorrow we will take the next chapter, electric field. Okay, thanks.